Assalamu alaikum. This video is about how to create a virtual lecture. There are few changes in creating session. Select virtual lecture from the menu. Click on create session. Enter the name of the lecture, for example like unit 1. Please enter the week number within brackets. This is suggested by the review committee of our college. So it is important for this semester, it is important for us to enter the week number within brackets. Now there are 3 tabs here. The first one is about event details. Select guest access. Enter the date and time of your lecture here. No need to select no end or repeat session. Now go to the next tab. Select session settings. By default, it is already selected that the student will enter as a participant. Recording, select allow recording downloads. And then here participant permissions, remove for share audio, share video or drawing on whiteboard. And then here private chat, select moderators, supervise all private chats. We are the moderators here, so we will supervise, we will check if any student or any 2 students are having a private chat. Select hide profanity in chat messages. This is a new feature this semester. It's about it is to avoid inappropriate or unacceptable language during the lecture. Okay, and the last one is about attendance reporting. Select share attendance information with LMS. This will make it easy to get the attendance from the Blackboard. You can set the time for late entry and for absent. For example, like if the student enters after 50 minutes, the system will automatically mark her absent. You can also adjust the required time in session. For example, like I want the student to be there for like, at least 70% of my lecture or like 80% or 90%. It is up to the teacher. And once you're done, select create. Then click on save. So your lecture is created here. From the options, you can join the classroom. Thank you.